Luckily, most high chairs are easy to clean, aesthetically pleasing, and can grow as your baby blooms into a toddler. There are many products available to choose high chairs for babies, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best high chairs for babies from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Inglesina Fast Table Chair. Mom of 3 Emma Kozlowski started using this table chair beginning from 12 months up until her kiddos turned 2.5 years old. Unlike a traditional high chair, this one attaches to a sturdy countertop or heavy table, almost like a booster-like seat but with added support. It doesn't include a footrest, but it does allow toddlers to sit with the rest of the family. Kozlowski says her kids are, creative eaters, and the removable tray is super fast to clean once mealtime is over. The mess is quickly gone in the sink rather than left on your counter, and the fabric that the child sits on wipes clean, or can be hand-washed or washed in the washing machine, she adds. We used another high chair when our kids were younger, but it took up a lot of floor space, was bulky, not very nice looking, and didn't seem necessary once our children could sit up on their own, Kozlowski adds. The only thing I wish they offered was an infant insert, so you could put a younger child in there without them wobbling around. Number 2. Maxi Cozy 6-in-1 Minla High Chair. Lauren Ray Levy Vigneron initially used a different high chair, but when her child was 18 months, she discovered this Maxi Cozy 6-in-1 bestseller and never looked back. She says there's plenty to love, but for a busy mom with a never-ending to-do list, the ability to clean the fabric and remove the tray with a sponge and water is key. While she might need a bit of soap here and there, she says most of the time, a quick wash does the trick. The seat covers are machine washable, so if a deeper clean is needed, it's a fast process. Did we mention the tray is also dishwasher safe? The only cleaning setback is the straps, which may be trickier to clean thoroughly. To avoid food waste buildup, try to wipe clean after each meal. The high chair also grows with your toddler, hence the name. It comes with an infant insert pad for extra support in the early days, then offers 5 recline and 9 height positions. If you don't want the high chair on display, Vigneron says it folds up small and stores away. However, the sleek design with 4 color combinations makes it a chic addition to your dining room. For Vigneron, the biggest win is her son loves it and it's comfortable. Number 3. Fisher-Price Portable Baby and Toddler Dining Chair. Riva Minkoff is the proud mama of a 16-month-old son, and instead of going the traditional tall high chair route, she found and loved this booster seat. Since all moms care about cleanup, Minkoff says this seat makes it fast and effortless. Since it's made of plastic, the removable tray pops off and can be placed directly in the sink after each meal. Originally, Minkoff used it on the floor by itself, and as her son has grown, she changed it to a booster seat so he has legroom. It is so flexible that other babies and toddlers have been able to use it when we have company, she says. I love how easily it fits everyone, and it makes me feel confident we'll be able to use it for a long time. I feel like it integrates into our busy lives the best if we are in the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, grandma's house, outside, anywhere. Number 4. 4Moms Connect High Chair. Women's health advocate and mom of 2 Lisa McCarty started using this high chair when her first child was 6 months old. She can manage the removable magnetic tray with one hand, which convinced her to choose this chair over all the others. As moms, we always want solutions to make our lives easier and our process for feeding our kids and cleaning up more efficient, she says. This definitely fits that requirement. We loved it, and my son loved it, too. As he got older, he could put the tray on by himself and let himself out when he was done. Another big plus. For cleanups, the tray can go straight into the dishwasher or be wiped clean immediately after use. While it doesn't have an adjustable footrest, it does have an adjustable height and recline option available to accommodate newborn, baby, and toddler phases. Regarding mobility, McCarty says you can slide it or lift it to carry, but it doesn't fold up. I found it worked well as a corner of the dining room chair that is tall and slim and not too wide, she adds. Number 5. Trip Trap Chair from Stock. When mom of 1 Lindsay H. welcomed her first child. She couldn't wait to start feeding her. Since she and her husband were foodies, she looked forward to introducing her daughter to that wonderful world. The classic stock Trip Trap chair. Though it's splurge-worthy, Tigger and her family knew it would stand the test of time. It also features a streamlined, Scandinavian design with a 7-year warranty. This chair has many benefits, including a removable tray that can easily be placed in the sink after use, an adjustable footrest that allows babies to grow into toddlers and still receive proper digestion, and a supportive back. The only downfall, according to Tigger, is the harness straps. They can be tricky to adjust as the child grows older and difficult to clean. You can remove them, but it's a pain, and you need to soak them for a good amount of time. LSO, while it might not be a struggle for all parents, it can be time-consuming to put this high chair together. It's also on the heavier side, and it doesn't stow away easily. Even so, it's pretty beautiful, so Tigger doesn't mind seeing it daily in her kitchen. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.